In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow startup and lag in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. We're going to start by checking whether community plugins are causing the slowdown. In the bottom left corner of the sidebar, click the gear icon to open settings. In the left sidebar, click Community Plugins. At the top of this page, turn Restricted Mode on. This temporarily disables community plugins so you can test startup speed without them running. Now close Settings by clicking the X in the top right corner of the Settings window. Close Obsidian completely, then reopen it. Watch how fast it starts. If Obsidian opens noticeably faster now, that means one or more community plugins are likely causing the lag. If startup is still slow, then the problem is somewhere else, and we'll continue with the other fixes. Now we'll narrow down which plugin is responsible. Open Settings again from the gear icon in the bottom left. Go back to Community Plugins, then scroll down to Installed Plugins. Start by turning off the plugin that is most likely to use a lot of resources. Data View is a common one to check first. On the right side of that plugin's row, click the toggle to switch it off. Close Settings, then close and reopen Obsidian again. Check the startup speed once more. If it opens faster, you found the plugin that is slowing things down. Leave that plugin disabled or replace it with something lighter. If startup is still slow, go back into Settings, then Community Plugins, turn that plugin back on, and switch off a different plugin instead. Close Settings, restart Obsidian, and test again. Repeat this process one plugin at a time until you identify the one that consistently causes the slowdown. If one plugin clearly takes the longest and keeps triggering the issue, disabling it or replacing it will usually make the biggest difference. Next, switch back to the default theme. Click the gear icon to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Appearance. Under Themes, click Manage. In the list, find the theme that is currently active. Click Uninstall on that theme. Removing the active custom theme returns Obsidian to the built-in default theme. Close Settings when that is done. Custom themes can add extra rendering work, and heavier themes can make typing feel delayed and the interface feel slower. Next, turn hardware acceleration off. Open Settings again with the gear icon. Click Appearance in the left sidebar. Scroll all the way down to the Advanced section near the bottom. Find hardware acceleration and switch the toggle to off. Close Settings, then restart Obsidian. Hardware acceleration uses your graphics processor to draw the interface. On some systems that helps, but on others it can actually introduce lag, so this test shows whether that setting is part of the issue. Next, close resource-heavy sidebar panels. Look at the right sidebar and find the Backlinks panel. On its tab, click the X to close it. Then find the Outline panel and click the X on that tab too. If Graph View is pinned in the sidebar, close that panel the same way. These panels update as you open notes and switch files, and in larger vaults they can do a lot of processing in the background. Closing them reduces that live rendering load. Next, clear any saved search before you close Obsidian. In the left sidebar, click the search icon, the one that looks like a magnifying glass. To open the search panel, look at the search field. If there is any text in it, click the X inside the search field to clear it. Then close the search panel. Obsidian reruns your last search when it starts up again, so if a broad search was left in place, that can slow the next launch because it has to process all of those results again. At this point, you've gone through the main fixes for slow startup and lag in Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. After clearing the search, close Obsidian and open it again so the app starts with that clean state. With restricted mode tested, plugins checked one by one, the default theme restored, hardware acceleration turned off, heavy sidebar panels closed, and the search field cleared. You've completed the full troubleshooting process shown here.